Right there, you're looking at a large grass fire in Parker County, west of Fort Worth. Strong winds helping to spread that one quickly. Thankfully, by the time HD Chopper 8 got out there over that one, as you see, firefighters had it mostly under control. But these things are spreading fast. We've seen small fires popping up across North Texas. Earlier today, Waxahachie firefighters working to put out a grass fire as well that quickly burned about 2 acres there. And in Grapevine, crews were called to a 2-story house fire after spotting large plumes of smoke coming out of a roof there. No one was injured at that scene. They were able to knock that one down pretty quickly as well. The reason that we want to talk about weather here is because the wind is really impacting all of those different blazes. It has just been howling out there, Cassie. And, you know, when we have these dry conditions especially, it just doesn't take much. You get one spark and those winds just take that fire and run with it. Yes,
we still have our wind advisory until 6 o'clock this evening, but even after that, it's still going to be pretty windy. So right now, we're still seeing wind gusts over 40 miles an hour. Here's the wind advisory that it covers all of the metroplex and areas to our north and east and to our south and west. So we're still seeing some pretty strong wind gusts right now. Now it's at 38 miles an hour in downtown Dallas. We got a 38 mile an hour gust in McKinney, 37 in Denton, 32 in Waxahachie, and a 36 in Hillsborough. That wind, it's still going to be, again, pretty gusty this evening and overnight tonight. Tomorrow, the wind will be much lighter. Right now, we are seeing lots of sun, and it's been pretty warm as well. With that south wind, temperatures have been able to climb into the 70s today. 73 degrees in Decatur, 76 in Mineral Wells, 71 in Dallas, and 70 degrees right now in Canton. Satellite and radar showing some of those high thin cirrus clouds above us right now. I think we keep those around this evening and overnight tonight. It's only going to be dropping down into the mid-50s tomorrow morning, so it's going to be a cool start to your Wednesday, but tomorrow afternoon looks kind of hot.